So guys, for the first step, once you're on the screen, you want to click on Shift and F10 on your keyboard. And now this will come up, the command prompt. And now once you're on this, you want to type in disk part and then click on enter. And now you want to type in list space disk and then click on enter again. And now you want to type in select space disk. It's going to be showing all your disks right here. You want to select the number of the disk that you want to install Windows on. For me, I've only got one disk, so I'm going to type in select disk 0. You will also know which disk is which from the size. But for me, I've only got one disk and I'm going to install Windows on my disk 0. So I'm going to type in select space disk space and then 0 for me and then click on enter. It's now going to select the disk that you want to install Windows on. And now once you select your disk, now you want to type in clean and then click on enter. And now you want to type in convert space GPT and then click on enter again. And now you want to type in exit, click on enter, and then type in exit again, click on enter. And you can now continue with your Windows installation. So if you have a product key, you can type that in. If you don't, then click on I don't have a product key. Wait for this to load. And you can now choose the Windows version that you want to install. Accept the terms. And you should now be seeing your disk right here. Click on next and you can then install Windows. That's how you do it.